Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinsmart account using desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening Apple web browser. In the URL box that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.coinsmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Coinsmart, which looks like this. In order to log into an existing account of yours, click on the login link at the top. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login area. You'll need to provide with your email address and your password that is associated with your Coinsmart account. Go to the first text box where it says email address and type in your email address that you've used while registering for Coinsmart. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in the password that you created for your Coinsmart account. Make sure to type in the correct password, and in case you don't remember your password, you can click on this little forgot link at the top and follow the on-screen prompt so that you can reset to a new password. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials, click the login button, and that way you'll be able to log into your Coinsmart account using your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.